Hi, interns, how are you? So we are looking for interns with some relevant skills to work on a paid project. So I'll discuss the project requirements, and those interns, those who have relevant skills, can apply so that we can, shortlist, and then they can join the team to work on this particular project. So I'll give you a quick brief. So as far as the requirements are concerned, we want interns to work on an AMC of a website for a customer where this needs to be maintained for 2 years. So the AMC is for 2 years, and we want interns, those who can, work initially as interns, and then we can have them for full time. Once their 6 months paid internship is complete, we can have them for full time. So AMC for a customer needs to be taken care of. Now, what needs to be done? So the team needs to ensure the security updates and compliance with the Government of India guidelines. So there is a GIGW guidelines which needs to be followed by regular updates, patches, and fixes for the CakePHP framework needs to be done. So this website is developed on CakePHP, and whatever updates in CakePHP comes in, so that needs to be done. Followed by we have to do we have to maintain front end and back end systems, including the MySQL database that needs to be maintained. We have to do disaster recovery setup and uptime monitoring, so as to ensure that the website is up, and in case if there is any downtime, that needs to be fixed. Followed by the team needs to work on fixing the bugs, add the new content to the website, and support cross browser compatibility. So that needs to be checked and maintained. Followed by within the project, we need to conduct security audits, and we can impanel certain agencies to do that security audit. So that would be taken care by the company itself. Followed by we have to maintain and update payment and SMS gateways. So there are payment gateways and SMS gateways integrated. So that needs to be maintained. Followed by we have to ensure the compliance with OWASP top 10 guidelines, 2007 standards. So that needs to be done. So what are we looking in the interns? So we are looking interns with web development knowledge. So if you have proficiency in CakePHP, PHP 5.6, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, good knowledge, then you can apply for this. Followed by candidates with database management skills. So those who have experience with MySQL for database maintenance, we can have them. Followed by people with Linux knowledge, Red Hat Enterprise Linux knowledge, and the knowledge of Apache web servers. So they can work under the server administration segment. Followed by we want cybersecurity interns, those who have knowledge of OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities, and they know how to configure SSL. Followed by to ensure cross-browser functionality, this skill needed. Followed by disaster recovery. So we have to set up and manage the disaster recovery system. So we want candidates with knowledge of disaster recovery. Followed by bug fixing and troubleshooting. So ability to resolve functional and technical issues efficiently. So we want candidates, those who can work and fix the bugs and troubleshoot in case if there is any error coming up. Followed by there is a compliance knowledge that is required. So whoever would be working on the project must have the GIGW guidelines for government websites. That needs to be very, very clear within them. Followed by soft skills are very important among the people, those who want to work on this. So attention to detail, team collaboration, and effective communication. So I want people with good communication, those who can work on it. So if you're an intern with Hackveda, you can opt for this project. You can click on here, register here to apply. You can put your name, email, which is registered on your intern tracker, followed by your number and organization. You can put Hackveda, and then you can apply. So once we get a list of candidates, we'll have online meeting where we can, conduct the kind of interview with you guys in order to ensure you have the right skill. And those who will be shortlisted, a team will be made, and then you guys will be working on this particular project. So this is a paid project. People, those who will be selected for this project, would earn substantial stipends if they are interns. And once their 6 months paid internship is done and their graduation is done and they have the NOC from college, then we can have them for full time also. So that's how we go about it. So guys, those who are interested, feel free to apply. The code for this particular project is Project Loomguard. So you can call this project as Project Loomguard in case if you have to have any communication related to this project with us, you can use the key code name Project Loomguard, and we can have the clear communication. So guys, thank you so much for listening, and those who are interested, they can apply for the project. Thank you so much.